girl, Mz.Kella. Today I'm posting this video to let you guys know that I am starting a beauty channel. Everyone has been telling me for the longest, like, you have a love for makeup, you have a love for fashion, you like dressing up, you always stepping out the house, you don't have no calm clothes and all this other stuff. And I was like, yeah, so and what? And they're like, girl, you need to start you a channel, or you need to do something with what you're doing. You just get ready and leave out the house looking all beautified, and you don't do nothing with it. So here it is, Mz.Kella's Touch. And I would love for everyone that's watching this, comment, please comment. I love comments, I love advice, I love learning more. Let me know what y'all thinking about what I'm doing. I will be posting some extra stuff because I'm extra. So yes, girl, let's get this Kells Gang going. Also on this channel, I'll be talking about the different skincare products I use, the vitamins I take. I'll also be doing some fashion hauls on this channel. I'll be talking about my weight loss and the things that I'm doing to lose this weight, girl, because girl, it is not easy. Grab a friend or two, go ahead and let them know what I'll be doing on my channel. I'm so excited to start it. I'm so excited to show you guys what I do and the way I flow when I do my makeup. I am not a professional. I'm not coming on here to try to be a professional. I'm just showing y'all the way I flow. And so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know some things you want to see. Don't forget to join me on my other social media with Twitter @Mz.Kella, Instagram @Mz.Kella, Snapchat @Mz.Kella. Go ahead and tune into all my social media. I do have a vlog channel, Living Life with Mz.Kella. On there, I talk about my life as an actress. I'm just vlogging my day-to-day life, girl. That's it. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, y'all. DM me anything that you guys want to see, any looks that you want me to try, anything. Y'all go ahead and let me know, because we're going to be doing everything on this channel, girl, because, like, we are family. We are family. Like, I forgot the words, but it's okay. Reaching out to the sky. Y'all caught that, but you know, my dream girls, we are a family, baby. Let's get this Kells Gang started. If you would like to see this beautiful look that I'm rocking right now, you can click below in the description box and I will have that video posted there so you can see step by step how I got this beautiful look. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm looking forward to posting these tutorials and creating this family with you guys. Come on, Kells Gang, let's get it started. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.